Shark Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with HEPA filter delivers the best debris cleaning of any cordless vacuum, powered by Shark's most advanced cordless suction. It features Power Detect Clean and Empty technology, automatically empties and charges while docked, and seals away dust, allergens, and odors for up to 45 days. The redesigned DuoClean Detect nozzle uses dual brush rolls for all floors and ultra-powerful hair pickup, while Direction Detect enables forward and reverse debris pickup for faster cleaning. 4 intelligent technologies automatically detect hidden dirt, edges, carpets, floors, and adjust suction accordingly. Multi-Flex technology allows easy under-furniture reach and compact storage, and Odor Neutralizer guards against bad smells. With up to 70 minutes of runtime, it is Shark's longest-lasting cordless yet. Accessories include an 8-inch duster crevice tool, odor neutralizer puck, and pet multi-tool. Voltage 21.6 volt, weight 18.5 pounds. Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner provides powerful and intelligent whole-home deep cleaning, revealing invisible dust with 100% more power and up to 60 minutes runtime. A power trigger maximizes energy efficiency by only using power where needed, while adapted suction adjusts automatically based on debris detected and floor type. An LCD screen displays total picked-up particles, power mode, maintenance alerts, and real-time runtime. The Dreame Z10 Station Cordless Vacuum Cleaner combines powerful suction with an auto dust removal hub and charging dock. Its 2.5-liter dust bag stores collected debris for up to 90 days, eliminating frequent disposal. Equipped with 2 brush heads, the multi-surface brush captures debris and particles from carpets, while a soft roller brush head handles dirt, dust, and hair on hard floors. Blue LED lights on the brush detect hidden dust across a wide 138-degree angle for thorough cleaning. The advanced 5-layer filtration system captures up to 99.9% of fine particles, ensuring cleaner air. Powered by a 7x 2900 mAh battery and 108,000 RPM brushless motor, it delivers 150 AW suction and up to 65 minutes runtime. The SMOTURE cordless vacuum cleaner is built with a 550-watt brushless motor delivering 45 kPa suction for deep debris removal. With 8 built-in high-capacity batteries, it offers up to 60 minutes runtime, 25 to 30 minutes in boost mode, with optional extra batteries available. Featuring a self-standing brush design, it can stand upright for easy storage. Its LED smart touchscreen provides real-time control, while auto mode adjusts suction between carpets and hard floors, making it ideal for homes with pets. The wall-mounted charging dock charges and stores the vacuum and accessories, or the battery can be removed for separate charging. The vacuum includes a multi-layer high-density filtration system, HEPA washable filter, and aromatherapy tablets for fresh cleaning. Accessories include an extra HEPA filter, sponge, crevice tool, dusting brush, mini cleaning tool, anti-tangle roller, wall-mounted charging dock. The Levoit LVAC200 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a lightweight, versatile stick vacuum with up to 50 minutes runtime. It provides powerful suction for quick daily cleaning and is designed for hard floors, rugs, and pet hair. Eco Mode provides up to 50 minutes with the crevice or pet tool, 30 minutes with the vacuum head, and 12 minutes in turbo mode. The vacuum lies flat at 180 degrees to reach under furniture, while 3 LED lights illuminate dust. Its anti-tangle brush prevents hair wrap, and the one-click large dustbin allows quick disposal. The custom 2-in-1 pet tool simplifies hair cleanup, and the dusting brush doubles as a crevice tool. A 5-stage filtration system captures 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Accessories include a vacuum body, long and short sticks, vacuum head, 2-in-1 crevice tool, 2-in-1 pet tool, wall mount with screws and anchors, charger, and manual. Voltage 22.2 volts, weight 6.2 pounds, backed by quality assurance with replacement filters and batteries available. Miele Blizzard CX1 Cat and Dog Bagless Canister Vacuum. The Miele Blizzard CX1 Cat and Dog Bagless Canister Vacuum offers strong suction power with vortex technology for capturing both coarse and fine dust. Designed for pet owners, it includes a handheld turbo brush for removing pet hair from a crevice tool, upholstery tool, and handheld turbo brush. It operates on 110-volt corded power and weighs 19 pounds. Available in Lotus White, Graphite Gray, Obsidian Black, and Tech Blue.